How to install a Yale smart home Wi-Fi outdoor camera. This video will show you how to install Yale's standalone Wi-Fi CCTV camera, which is a quick and easy way to give you the peace of mind that CCTV can bring to your home or business. First, decide where you're going to position your camera. It's advisable to cover the higher risk areas of your property, such as the driveway. You also need to consider whether the Wi-Fi coverage will be strong enough in your chosen location. To allow recording of the camera, you will need to install a micro SD card, not provided. Unscrew the cover on the reverse of the camera to install a micro SD card. Reattach the cover, then plug your camera into the power supply. Download the Yale View app on either Google Play or the Apple Store and create an account by following the instructions within the app. To add a device, press the plus button, then scan the QR code on the reverse of your camera. Select Wi-Fi camera and follow the setup wizard. You can now test Wi-Fi coverage in your chosen location before installing. To mount your camera, mark where you want your camera to be positioned, then drill the main hole for the CCTV power cables. To avoid cables being exposed, we recommend installing them to run internally. If you decide you do need to run cables externally, make sure the connectors are not exposed by using an IP-rated junction box. Once the system is installed, you can now correct the positioning of the cameras via the app using the Live View feature, moving or tilting the camera to capture the correct location. Your installation is now complete. For more information on making the most of your camera or troubleshooting, visit yale.co.uk.